my name is Jay, and this channel is for all things tax. So let's begin. This first presentation is for what is an enrolled agent. It's a frequently asked common question I get from prospective clients and current clients. So I thought I'd make a quick video to explain what it is. An enrolled agent is a person who has earned the privilege of representing taxpayers before the Internal Revenue Service. Enrolled agent status is the highest credential the IRS provides. Individuals who obtain this elite status must adhere to ethical standards and complete a minimum of 72 hours of continuing education every 3 years. Enrolled agents, like attorneys and certified public accountants, CPAs, have unlimited practice rights. This means that they are unrestricted as to which taxpayers they can represent, what tax matters they can handle, and which IRS offices they can represent clients to. So how do you become an enrolled agent? And there's two ways of becoming an enrolled agent. One is by passing a 3-part comprehensive test, which involves individuals, business, representation, practice, and procedures. Individuals is pretty much preliminary work and taxpayer data of how to handle it, understanding income and assets, deduction and credits, giving tax advice, and specialized return questions you may have. Business is business entity selection, considerations such as S Corp, partnerships, C Corps, analyzing business financial information, and specialized business cases that you may not see all the time. And the third one is representation. Representation is the practices and procedures, how to represent clients before the IRS, and unique representation cases. And of course, how to complete the filing process. And then the second way of becoming an IRS enrolled agent is by having experience with the IRS. The benchmark is approximately 5 years, and usually this requires that the IRS employee be in a tax-facing position similar to what an IRS enrolled agent experience would be. So there's two ways to become an IRS enrolled agent. Most people go the route of taking the exam. So how many enrolled agents are there? So in the US currently, there are about 53,000 practicing enrolled agents, 660,000 CPAs, and 1.3 million of attorneys. We need to remember, enrolled agents only practice tax. CPAs and attorneys always do not specialize in tax. So there's only a portion of those CPAs and attorneys. But enrolled agents are fully taxed, and they do tax day in, day out. So what are the advantages of hiring an EA? Of course, they only practice tax. Nothing else. All they do is live, breathe taxes all day. They're licensed by the federal government through the U.S. Department of Treasury. They are allowed to prepare, sign, file tax returns in all states. Certain CPAs and attorneys cannot, right? Enrolled agents have the ability to practice in all 50 states and usually are favored when you have multi-state tax returns. They're required by IRS to attain 72 hours of continuing education every 3 years. Most credentialed enrolled agents will take way more than that, just to keep up with what's going on in the industry, new regulations, new tax laws. They will surpass that by no means. Of course, they understand and analyze the tax code. They see it every day, they read it, they understand what's going on. And the best part is they are credentialed, so they can represent you in front of the IRS. So if you have a case, you'd be very, very lucky to have an enrolled agent by your side helping you get through with speaking with the IRS, consulting, giving you tax advice all year round. And of course, they're usually more cost efficient. CPAs and attorneys are more expensive, but enrolled agents, they're willing to work with you usually, and they know tax. So it'd be a good piece of advice to consider having an enrolled agent on your side. So how do you find an enrolled agent? I've never heard of that. How do I find it? The easiest way and the most efficient way is to go to naea.org. It's a place where you can search for a local tax expert and find someone that's local to you. I do have the link if you want to go directly instead of having to find the button on the main webpage. What you can do is you search by the zip code. Whatever's close to you, find someone. If you want someone near, someone further, you can search by them. And then on the screen you'll see what a profile looks like. That's my profile. I'm based in New York, and it tells you what you specialize in, right? So I specialize in corporations, partnerships, business tax preparation individuals. I've been doing it for a while. You have a link to my website, my phone number, and you could do this for any professional in your area. Highly recommend you check out this website. It's a great resource, and you can learn a lot. So that's all I have for today. Want to give you a quick snapshot of what Enrolled Agent is and introduce myself, and I look forward to making future videos. Please recommend any topics that you're interested in, and I would gladly consider them for my next few videos. Thank you, and have a nice day.